we have discussed about various type of section, that is balance section, under rainbow section, and over rainbow section. And I have already told you why we should provide under rainbow section in previous class. So in today's class, we will discuss about the design of the section for a given loading condition. So these are the steps for the design problem of a system section of a given loading condition. So in first step, find the maximum bending moment due to the given loading. So suppose in question there is the span length of L and the node is W. For this simply supported UTS span, what is the bending moment? Bending moment equals to W L square by H. Okay. So according to the given loading condition, we have to calculate the bending moment of the beam. Next, compute the constant K, J, Q for the balance section for known stresses. I have already told you what is K, J, and Q. What is K and what is J and what is Q? J is the lever arm constant and Q is moment of resistance constant. Okay, and the formula for K, J, and Q we have already discussed in previous class. So now in third step, fix the depth to breadth ratio of the brick section to 2 to 4. If depth and breadth is not given in the question, then we have to assume the depth and breadth ratio, that is the D by B ratio to 2 to 4. So in between 2 to 4, we have to assume the depth by breadth ratio. Okay. So in the next step, from M equals to Q B D square, find D and then B from depth to breadth ratio. So from this formula, M equals to Q B D square. If we find bending moment and the value of moment of resistance constant and constant, so in terms of B, M equals to Q by D by 2 into D square. So suppose D by B equals to 2. So B equals to D by 2. We can write D in terms of D by 2. And from this formula, we can calculate the value of the depth, the effective depth. And after getting the value, then we can calculate the value of B, the breadth. Okay. So the next design step, obtain overall depth D by adding concrete cover to D, the effective depth. So if clear cover and diameter of bar is not given, we have to assume the value of height, that is the dia of the bar, okay, and the clear cover, CC value. We have to assume these two values. And plus here cover. So from this formula we will calculate the total or overall depth. The next direction, calculate AS from the relations AS equals to bending moment by sigma st j into t. That is sigma st the stresses in steel that will given in the question. So from the given data we have already calculated bending moment, the Newton constant j and effective depth d and sigma st value we know. So from this formula we have calculated the value of area of the section. Okay. After calculating the area of the section, we have to find the number of bars. So from the formula PS equals to pi by 4 into diameter of bar into x. From this formula, we will calculate the value of the number of bar. X is the number of bar. And after getting all the values, we will draw the diagram. Diagram from the given section. So this is the number of bar. Bar will represent the weight B. Capital depth, the overall depth. Plus the small d, the effective depth, and the clear cover value. Okay. So write a question. Design a simply supported rectangular beam of 5 meters which carries a duty along 9 kN per meter. The stresses in steel and concrete are, that is sigma st equals to 230 Newton per mm square and sigma cbc equals to 7 Newton per mm. Okay. The stresses in steel and concrete are 230 Newton per mm square and 7 Newton per mm square respectively. And SU, the modular SU M equals to 13.33. So solve the